Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Thursday, August 15, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading on August with 22% of the total premiums paid and bearish readings on September, October, November, and December. The important ones, September and October with 37 and 33% of the total premiums paid. Overall, we have a bearish dollar-weighted put-call ratio today on the VIX. Here we have the daily chart for SPX, down 1.43% for the day, or 24 handles. Huge down day here, you can see it. Testing the 50-day moving average right now. I am very bullish here. I believe we're going to get higher on either tomorrow or Monday, so I'm remaining bullish for the next couple of sessions. Maximum 3 sessions here, I'm going to remain bullish here. If we do break the 50-day moving average by more than 10 handles, I would start to get neutral, but here I believe it would be a very nice entry point to the upside based off a couple internal indicators. For the Qs, here we have the daily chart for the Qs. You can see it here, down 1.7% for the day. Big sell-off here, you can see on the Qs. Breaking down here, big gap, big volume. But again, I do remain bullish here. I remain bullish on the market. IWM. Selling pretty hard here today, as you can see here on the almost 2% for the day, trading right now at 102.11. And important here, big volume. Looks like we're going to test that 50-day moving average. But I would not play the bullish thesis via IWM. I've said that a couple of times. I would play it either via NASDAQ or SPX. GLD, huge move up today. 2.09% up for the day. You can see it here trading at 131.69. Big day with big volume here. I would love to short this one here around this trend line. 135 level would be my entry point to the short. I would add the shorts there heavily. I do think we're getting a correction here to the upside, but the downside is not over. So I'm neutral on the short term, as when we get to 135, I'm gonna get bearish. SLV, I am bearish. I am neutral on SLV, as you can see it here. Very nice update today. Up 5%, huge volume here. Not doing much here. I'm gonna stay flat for SLV. I'm just waiting for gold to pop a little bit more to get short. Let's go to stocks. Here we have the daily chart for Apple. You can see it here trading 0.12% lower, basically flat for the day. You can see it. We opened lower and we were able to rally here, almost made a new high for the year, but not quite there. And then we sold off quite a bit, ending flat for the day. You could see there, nice volume here. I believe we're going higher. I am bullish on Apple and nothing changed here. Google. As you know, we've been bearish on Google for the last couple of days since we broke here. And it broke there, the 865 level we talked about. And from here, it would be interesting to see where are we going to go, where is going to be the next target. If we get a support around this area, you could see here that we are right now at this previous low. That's going to be important to see if we hold that level. And if we do not hold that level, I'm looking for lower prices, even maybe going to 846. So that's what I'm looking here for Google. Another important chart here. Netflix. Let's see what happened to the Netflix, down 3.2% for the day. Big bearish day for Netflix, nothing going on. I continue to be bullish here. I would get long on a new high around 270.32, I believe was the previous high, was 31. Yes, correct. I would get long at that area only. Most of the banks, Citi, at the 50-day moving average. That's one of the reasons I am bullish here. I believe a bounce is coming here on the market. You can see it here. We're bouncing off the 50-day in Citi. Same goes for Goldman Sachs. And even the same goes for Morgan Stanley. You can see it there. So not much going on here apart from that 50-day moving average to be holding us so far from going lower.